Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OneDrive Microsoft login for secure UI file management. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with OneDrive Microsoft login for secure UI file management, begin by accessing the OneDrive website. Look for the Sign In button located on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login screen. Enter your Microsoft email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password into the designated field. If you want to remain signed in, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Click on the Sign In button to complete the authentication process. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your OneDrive dashboard. To enhance security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your Microsoft account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Select Security from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. Once enabled, you will receive a verification code during future login attempts. This provides an extra layer of security for your files. Now you can begin managing your files securely within the OneDrive interface. To upload files, click the Upload button and select the files from your device. To create new folders, click on the New button and select Folder. This helps in organizing your files efficiently. Remember to regularly check your shared files and permissions for improved security. Utilize the version history feature to track changes made to your files. This option is available by right-clicking on a file and selecting Version History. In case you need to recover a file, navigate to the Recycle bin from the left sidebar. From there, you can restore deleted files easily. This streamlined process ensures secure and organized file management within OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.